Meet the Azaria La Jolie bag, perfect for the woman with or without kids. Made of soft, matte, textured, high-quality vegan leather, this bag is wipeable and stain-resistant. We chose the French name La Jolie because every woman deserves to feel pretty. The grab handle is convenient for easy carry. There are two main compartments that provide great organization. We love the two-way zippers and all the pockets. The front compartment has two mesh pockets on the front wall. This compartment is big enough to store a large breast pump and bottle supplies. Two elastic pockets on the back wall can store bottles and snacks. Two side mesh pockets are perfect for bottles, hand sanitizer, and other small items. The front compartment has plenty of space for blankets, spare outfits, diaper supplies, and more. Along the back, a deep zipper wall can fit small personal items like lotion and chapstick. Each bag is lined with a durable and wipeable vegan leather lining in our signature dusty rose color. There is a long key leash so your keys never get lost. Our sleek design provides plenty of space for what you need on the go, without too much bulk. There is a convenient deep slip pocket on the front of the bag with a hidden magnet closure. A great spot for your Azaria changing mat or anything that needs quick access. A secure zipper pocket on the front is a great spot for a phone. We designed the bag to have 4 protective metal feet on the bottom. The zipper pocket on the back is a secure spot for a wallet or a passport. The vegan leather backpack straps are padded and ergonomically shaped. They are comfortable with a classy, sophisticated aesthetic. The tri-glides can adjust the length of the straps. This backpack converts into a messenger crossbody bag. An adjustable messenger strap is included so the bag can be worn over the shoulder or hung on a stroller. The D-rings can also be attached to a set of Azaria stroller hooks. The padded back compartment includes a laptop pocket with a magnet closure that can fit up to a 15-inch laptop. The specially designed side pockets have hidden depth that can fit up to a 40-ounce water bottle. This bag will help you feel beautiful and put together. It will make every day rosy.